Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm pretty good. And how are you?
I'm all right, thank you, Nirmal. Where are you from?
I'm from Odisha, Bhubaneswar.
Okay, I think did we meet before? Your first session was not with me, right? Demo, no?
Yes. Already last time also demo also. Uh,
Yeah, it was it with me. We met before, right?
yes.
Yes, okay. So this is your first session,
Yes.
subscribed session. Okay. So how have you been there?
Also here I'm good and
All good, everything is fine.
also give some tips and past video also I learned some
Sorry,
tips.
what is it? I didn't get you. What is it?
Give some tips about to introduction and any related to pronunciation.
Pronunciation tips. Okay, give me an introduction.
Okay. I am Nirmal Kumar Parida, belongs to Odisha. Already I am passed out to MBA and
No,
also
no belongs to Orissa. I belong to Orissa. Hi, I am Nir. I belong to Orissa. Or I am from Orissa. Go on.
I'm from Odisha. I'm passed out my MBA and post.
No, not I am pass out. I graduated from this. I completed my MBA from so and so college. Tell me, I completed my. Go on.
I'm completed my MBA
No, I
from.
am. I completed.
I completed MBA from Apprentice Business School. After that,
No. See, you're missing out on small words like helping verbs, preposition, articles. You're missing. I completed MBA from this university.
okay,
From.
I completed MBA from Bhubaneswar Institute of Technology. After
Perfect.
after I'm joining as a assistant accountant.
After that, I joined what company? Which company is it?
Blue Ocean e-commerce.
After that, I joined Blue Ocean as a assistant accountant, as an assistant accountant, and as an assistant accountant. Ekor Barko.
Okay, I am Nirmal Kumar Parida from Odisha. I completed my MBA from Apprentice Business School. And
Perfect.
uh, now I am joined Blue Ocean E-commerce Private Limited as a accountant, assistant
Not
accountant.
now I'm joined. No. Now I'm working as an accountant in Blue Oceans Private Limited. Okay, go on.
I am Nirmal Kumar Parida from Odisha.
No. Continue. After that, after Blue Oceans, what do you want to say?
Here also I am as a accountant. After also I am now is working here.
No. See. Wait. So you gave me an introduction. You said that you're Nirmal Kumar and you are from Odisha. You completed your graduation. You're working. Next comes hobbies and interest. Okay. Talking about my hobbies, I love to play cricket, or you can say my hobbies are playing cricket, watching football, doing this, doing that. Yes, hobbies ke baare. Go on.
My hobbies are reading any stories and also browsing at internet.
Browsing
Uh,
the internet. Okay. Fine.
also,
Go on.
apart from those, I am already know about to my experience. Already, apart from my experience, also I know any MS Office and any billing software and Tally ERP.
No. Apart from what I already know, I know. Apart from my work, I'm also working on, or I also know tallying. I'm also working on my tallying, this software development, whatever.
Yes.
Or you can say, although I'm from an accountancy field, I'm working on my programming, coding, whatever. Okay? One last time, all together, I want you to tell me.
I'm Nirmal Kumar Parida from.
No, wait. This time, slow down. Don't be like, I'm the Nirmal Kaur Padra, no. We need to slow down. After every sentence, take a small pause. I'm Nirmal Kumar Parida. I'm from Orissa. Like that. Small pause. Go on.
I am Nirmal Kumar Parida. I am from Odisha. I completed my MBA from Affiliative Business School. I work as an assistant accountant from Blue Ocean E-commerce Private Limited,
Perfect.
and my hobbies are reading books and browsing internet.
Perfect. Look at you.
Yes. And also, apart from my work, I also know about to Tally, ERP,
Not
and
about to tell you. I also know about tallying,
Tally,
about. Hmm.
any paper billing up software.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Yeah, and
also,
that's all about me. मेरे बारे में इतना ही है. That's all about me.
that's all about.
And that's all about me. Okay, good. See, now you sound better. So you only need a light guidance, that's all. You know already, you're a fast learner.
Yes,
That's good. Fine. So, shall we talk about today's topic?
yes.
Okay.
Uh,
So, did you check the document out? You didn't.
yes, already. Thank you.
Okay. Today's topic is travel.
Yes,
So, travel. Hmm. Do you like to travel? Nirmal?
yes, yes.
By the way, hold on. I'm a bit curious about your name, Mr. Nirm. What does that mean?
Nirmal is the meaning is the clean and swachh.
Yeah, but why is it Nirm here? Is that how people call you, Nirm?
Nirmal. N I am Nirmal. Nirmal.
No, look at your name on the application. It is Mr. Nirm.
It is some two alphabet is not showing.
A and L was not showing.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Anyways, travel. Where all have you been to?
Uh, in Odisha also I am going to hill
No,
station.
no, no, no. Wait. Always check the question. My question was, where all have you been to? So your answer should be, I have been to. In Orissa also, I have been to many places. So that have been to should be in your answer. Whatever is in the question should be in your answer. If the question is in present, your answer should be in present. If it's past, you must answer. Okay,
Okay.
go on.
I
Where all
have
have
been
you been to?
I have been to Odisha almost toppest rating city Raulkela. Here also
Mm-hmm. Rourkela, I know Rourkela.
here also is Ondadhar is the hill station, also waterfall. And
Mm-hmm.
winter season is the nature is beautiful looking.
Okay.
Here also two three times also I'm here also going.
Okay. No, here also going. No. I have been there two, three times. Yeah, I have been to Rourkela two, three times. Yeah. So always explain about things a bit more. You're not explaining it enough. You have to explain it a bit more. Hmm?
Yes, yes.
Right. Fine. So, which is the best place that you have visited?
That's
Nirmal.
best city I think Bhubaneswar because it's here also temple and some park.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right, right. A lot of temples.
Yes,
Right. So, have you ever had any bad experience while traveling?
bad experience I think is some in Chennai also bad experience.
Chennai, tell me about it.
Uh, Chennai some metro city is very passenger is more more passenger here in metro city. There also you can
Yes,
only one place to another place. This
yes,
part has been very difficult.
yes, that's the thing. Right. I don't like metro cities as well. It's quite much of a bustle, and too much of people, too many people, and too much of sound, noise, pollution, and all that. Right. So, what mode of transport do you prefer while traveling always?
But I think in Odisha also.
No, what mode of transport? As in, कैसा आपको पसंद है जाने के लिए बस या ट्रेन या
No personal booking cab and any others hot photo. Then you can share personal, not their
Okay.
best
Okay, you prefer to go by cab.
cab.
Okay, fine. That's fine. Fair enough. So, which country do you want to really visit?
I think Canada is best.
No, Canada is not a country. Which other country?
Other country.
Hmm.
Uh, I
Oh,
think
Canada. You mean Canada? Oh, I thought Karnataka. Okay, Canada. Yes. Why Canada?
because some people in our area also living here.
Canada. Okay. Is it a nice place to live in, Canada?
Yes,
Hmm. Okay, fine. Right. So, if you get a chance to, be a permanent resident of some other country other than Canada, which country would you choose?
I think Auckland, New Zealand.
Oh, New Zealand. Why New Zealand? It's a nice place, isn't it?
Yes,
Nice.
here some is easy to available, easy to go
No,
transport.
easy to available is what do you mean to say? It's wrong. What are you wanting to say?
I think the best area and weather is best. I think,
Okay. Uh-huh.
and some YouTube also I am so in the some video also. Auckland is most and beautiful place.
Auckland. Yeah, but the most beautiful place. Right, fine. Okay. So, in India, which is the place that you always want to visit? Always wanted to visit.
I think Karnataka is the best for me.
No, in India, which is the state that you always wanted to visit in India? India में
India में the Karnataka is Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Uh,
Okay, Karnataka. Why Karnataka?
and because all these jobs are available in industrial
Oh,
and software.
John,
Yeah.
yes.
After this weather is the good and other states.
Right. Yes, yes, that's true. That's true. Then, fine. So, I think we only have 4 more minutes for our session to end. So, as a feedback, what I would like to give you is that you need to work on your spoken English more by strengthening your vocabulary. Not many words, isn't it? So, you need to learn new words. Grammar, tense here and there, you're jumbling the tenses up here and there, but for the most part of it you're trying. That's good. You're a quick learner. Yeah, always practice. Even if you don't have anyone to talk to as well, take your phone, record your video and practice. After recording, you watch your own video and see where you are lacking, what you're lacking, what you can change, and evaluate yourself. Hmm?
Yes, thank you.
Yes. Okay. Also work on that. Work on your grammar, tenses, and also you are breaking the sentences up. Not much of a good flow you have.
Yes,
So try and merge words together, and only after the sentence you take a pause, not in between the words, in between the sentences, after every word. Hmm? Do you
very
have
good.
any doubts, Nirm?
Yes. No, also this time is deadline is coming.
No, no, no. Actually, we have about 2, 3 minutes more.
Okay, okay.
Hmm. Do you have
Some
anything to ask me?
okay. Some words also pronunciation you can take.
Pronunciation. Okay. So can you pronounce this word? Initiation.
Initiation,
Initiation.
initiation,
Initiation. Initiate something. The initiation.
initiation,
Can you say social?
initiation,
Initiation. Okay. Social.
consent,
Huh. Social. Social science. Social.
social, social science, social,
No. Sa. Social science.
social,
Social science. Again.
social,
No. Social.
social.
Social science. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, I will make you read something. Okay. Wait, 1 minute. 1 minute. Give me a moment. Okay. I want you to read this. 1 minute. Oh. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
Here. Can you see?
Yes,
Can you
yes.
read this? Can you read this?
Yes, yes. Tongue twister for beginners. A
Uh-huh.
big, uh, a big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose.
Uh-huh.
11 boys click.
Uh-uh. Owls. Owl.
11 owls likes leaks.
Uh-uh. Licked. Licked.
Licked 11. A little
Mm.
liquor lollipop.
Licorice. Licorice.
Licorice lollipop pressed
Mm-hmm.
at his his press fried fried his press his fried press.
Okay, this one. Last one.
How much would a woodchick sorry woodchick
Woodchuck. Woodchuck.
woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would chuck wood.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Yeah. Likewise, when you are alone, look it up on Google. Tongue twisters. Okay, and read. Yeah, and read it. The more you read, the better your pronunciations. I mean, pronunciations will get. Okay.
Okay,
Try and look it up and read. Yeah.
okay,
I
thank you.
think our session is about to end, Nirmal.
Yes.
Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Good night.